All right, everybody. Michael Lewis Equipment again. And let me introduce you to Dumpster Fire. Yep. I've nicknamed this dozer Dumpster Fire. It has had a very, very rough life. It caught on fire. Burned for more than an hour before they got to it. If I'm honest, it hasn't had the best maintenance life, nor has it this particular unit seen much love. So I've had to go through and replace all of the hydraulic lines, of course, fluids, filters, all of that. Replace all of the gauges, rebuild much of the controls. Still a lot of work left. Just to give you an idea of how hot it really got, the oil stick is completely frozen from melted plastic in it. So that's going to be challenging to get out later. You can see this thing it rusted. Had to replace all the lines. You can see a lot of the burn damage. Still. Very important to make sure that your installation on all your electrical lines are well covered. It seems like the source of the fire may have been an exposed electrical wire going through here and passing down to the frame, and that led to it catching on fire. So yeah, we still have quite a bit left to do. The customer wants to paint this unit. So anyway, just check back later for progress on Dumpster Fire. Catch you later. Hey everybody, thanks for watching.
Please subscribe and hit the like button.
And don't forget to share and hit that notification bell.